Hello friends, my name is Salman and you are watching my channel Solid Tech. In this video, I will cover the following topics. What is the gas files and folder restore? How to restore gas files folder to the original location? How to restore gas and files and folder to another location? Basically, sometimes we accidentally delete our files and folders. So we can easily restore them from our backups. So let's move to the this is my lab scenario. I have a laptop on top of which I install VMware Workstation 16, and on top I have installed two ESXi server version 7. On my base machine I have installed Veeam backup and application, and I also attach an external hard drive as a backup repository. So let's move to the machine. Basically this is my virtual machine in which I stored some data. For example, in C drive, as you can see, I have created a folder which is called Sir Salman. I double click it, it contains a file, text file ABC. So sometimes accidentally we delete some important folder. So I right click this and select delete, and again click to yes, and now I also delete from the recycle bin. So in production environment sometimes we lose our data accidentally or by some other way. So in this video I will show you how to recover this type of data. Basically this is not a whole VM recovery, it is just a file and folder based recovery. For this we launch our Veeam console, and on home tab select restore and select VM vSphere, restore from backups, and there is an option gas file restore. As you can see, the icon is yellow color which shows restore individual gas file from an image level backup. So I select this, and my platform is Windows, Microsoft Windows. I select this. So this is my machine, Windows 7 21. I click next, and I create a full backup, and after that I create an incremental backup. So I backup this folder on my incremental backups. So I select incremental and click next. You just write anything. Click next and click browse. As soon as you click on the browse, a new browser window will appear in few moments. So as you can see, Windows 7 clone has less than 1 day backup browser. This window is called backup browser. Whenever you restore any file and folder from the backups, it will always appear in this browser window. So it will take some time because my machine is not so powerful. So just wait for it. It will show all the files and folder in my backup file. So as you can see, on my C drive I have a file folder called Sir Salman which contain a file abc/text. This is our file which I want to restore my original location. So what I do, I will right click on this, and there is an option restore overwrite. So I select overwrite to overwrite my original file location. So I select overwrite. Now it connect to my virtual machine. It will ask you the username and password. Keep remember, this is not the VM username and password. This is the Veeam server username and password. I log in with my account Salman. If you enter your Veeam password, you will get an error. So keep remember this point. So as you can see, the restoring process is started. As you can see, file level restore started using Salman Home as a mount server. This is my base machine. Restore from backup repository 1. Instant mode mounting restore point using the Salman as a mount server backup mode. So because this is a very small file, it will not take too much time. So as you can see, audit log C path this restore completed. Restored folder is C Sir Salman. So I choose this folder for restore. So I will show you whether it is successful or not. So I close down this and move to my virtual machine. Now I am open the Explorer. As you can see, Sir Salman is there with my text file. So this is the very easy way how to install any file from your guest operating system from your backups. So in this way you easily restore any file. So there is another important option. Sometimes you want to restore your file in some another location. For example, you don't want to save this file to original location, you want to save in your desktop. In this case, you click copy to and you browse your folder. For example, I used my document folder. Click add and click OK. So restore is completed. Success 1, error 0. So I will check my file Explorer. So as you can see, I successfully restored in my desktop. So Veeam is a very good product, and if you will practice it, it will work magically. So this is very easy to restore any file and folders with the help of Veeam gas file recovery. I think this video is very beneficial to you, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and keep watching my Veeam backend and recovery series. So we will see you in a next video. Thank you very much.